In this lesson, we're going to learn about Aufbau's principle. So, what is the Aufbau principle? The Aufbau principle is a guideline used to determine the electron configuration of atoms. The term Aufbau is German for building up, and it reflects how electrons occupy orbitals in an atom, starting from the lowest energy level and moving upwards. Think of it like filling seats in a theater. You start with the front row before moving to the next. So according to Aufbau principle, electrons fill orbitals in a specific order based on their energy levels. The sequence is determined by the sum of the principal quantum number n and the azimuthal quantum number L. The lower the value of n plus L, the lower the energy of the orbital. So for example, the 1s orbital has the lowest energy level, so it's filled first. Then comes the 2s, followed by 2p, and so on. Here's a quick summary of the order. We have 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, and 5s. Notice how 4s is filled before 3d. That's because 4s has a lower energy level than 3d, even though the principal quantum number is higher. The Aufbau's principle works hand in hand with two other important rules, which is the Pauli exclusion principle and Horn's rule. These rules ensure that electrons are distributed in the most stable configuration possible. Let's look at some exceptions to the Aufbau principle. Some elements, especially elements in the D block and F block of the periodic table, don't follow the predicted order. For example, chromium, instead of writing it this way, it is written as this. And for copper, instead of writing it this way, it is written as this. Why? Because of stability. Let's look at the application of Aufbau principle. So take oxygen for an example. The atomic number of oxygen is 8, meaning it has 8 electrons. Following the Aufbau principle, we will fill the orbitals in this order. First, we'll start with the 1s, followed by the 2s, and then the 2p. Remember, s can only take 2 electrons, and p can take up to 6. So we'll fill 1s, 2, 2s, 2, and 2p, 4. So this would be the electronic configuration of oxygen. So to sum it all up, Aufbau principle is like a roadmap for determining how electrons are arranged in an atom.